Hey guys, we are back with another video. I am Jeff and this is Atu.
Guess what? Today we are going to Blue Mountains. So today is a weekend, so we planned for a one-day trip. So we got to know there is skiing over there. So in our lifetime, for the first time, we both are going to do skiing. Quite excited, and we got to know there are some other activities too over there. Let's go and explore there.
So now we are waiting for a car to come and it's pretty cold. It's like -6 degrees. So yeah, let's see how is it. So here comes our car for the day. It's Toyota Highlander. As you can see our friend waving to the camera. It's a 7-seater car. So let's start our trip. So now we are heading to our destination, that is Blue Mountains. It's like around 162 kilometers away from our home, that is Scarborough. It takes like around 2 hours to reach to this place. As you can see, the first half of our drive, you will see beautiful trees and forest on both sides of the road. Whereas in the later half of the drive, you will see beautiful land covered with snow on both sides. Once we'll reach Blue Mountains, we'll introduce to our friends. Till then, enjoy the ride.
Hey, here we have friends with us, so they're going to introduce.
Hi, my name is Ankur and I'm not a terrorist. Hi. Hi, my name is Abhijit. I'm from Mumbai.
Hi, Hina, skiing for the first time.
I swear.
So that was a quick introduction by our camera phobic friends. Now we'll try to give you an overview of the rates and equipments available for skiing here. So it is $140 per person. They give you the boots, the bindings, the helmet and the poles for that. But if you need anything additional like skiing goggles, gloves or suits, then you have to pay extra amount. So first what you have to do is you have to go to the activity counter and follow some simple process of registration and collecting equipments, and then we can proceed to the skiing area. Over there, in the first step, they'll give you a brief training of how to ski. And I think while you proceed, you have to go to next level that's based on the heights of ski. Anyways, let's go and check it out.
So before renting our equipments, first we have to enter our personal details. That is the step 1. Once we are done with entering all our information, we'll proceed to step 2, that is the payment counter. Here, we have to collect our skiing boots and we have to do our payment. As you can see, our friends struggling to get their feet into the boots. It's not an easy task. Once they are done with the struggle, we'll proceed to step 3. In step 3, we have to collect our bindings and helmet. They will adjust the bindings based on your shoe size, so that it will be tight and firm. And the final step is to collect the ski poles, which will make your skiing equipment complete. Now let's start skiing. If you are a newbie or doing skiing for the first time like us, no worries. There will be trainer at all level. They will teach us how to do and what to do. Like here, it's a level 1, it's a flat ground. Here the trainer will explain you how to slide, how to stop, and how to use the pole. Once you are comfortable on a flat ground, then they will let you go on a level 2. Level 2 is a small slope. To reach at the top, we have to slide sideways using our bindings and poles properly. You will find trainer at the top of the level 2 as well. He will tell you how to stop, how to apply brakes so that you will slide properly on the slope. There might be chances you might fail to do so and end up falling a lot of times, either like this or like this. But keep practicing till you succeed. If you are perfect in level 2, then only you can proceed to level 3. In level 3, you will find a bigger slope. It is much more longer and steeper if you compare to level 2. You have to use escalator to reach at the top of level 3. It takes like around 30 seconds to reach at the top. Once you reach at the top, you will find a flat level where you will find a lot of trainers to guide you and assist you. This is the level 3 slope, and here comes our friend so coolly, like a pro. There were level 4 and above, which we didn't explore. But the evening lights at Blue Mountains were just mind-blowing.
Hey guys, we are back from skiing. It was indeed a very tiring day. As we see in movies, like it's not that simple that wear your bindings and go whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. It's not that. It's actually very difficult.
Starting from, after putting the binding till the point you learn even how to ski, it is like really hard. I remember like after putting binding, it was so hard to walk. Like it took around 15 to 20 minutes to learn even how to take baby steps with that binding because it's very heavy and it's very, very difficult to walk. And for me personally, the most difficult part which I felt is after you fall, it's very hard to get up. Like for me, I was in need of someone else's help to get up because the binding was very heavy. But some people, they could manage to like lift up themselves, but yeah, for me it was the most difficult portion.
Yeah, in level 2 also it was a small slope, but it was first time for us, so it's like we felt like an n number of times.
Yeah, for me it took around 6 times to finalize the second level.
But once you are like perfect in level 2, you can just proceed to level 3. Over there it's like a bigger slope and you will enjoy a lot. You will fall definitely, but don't worry, get up and just try again.
And while falling, I don't think it will hurt you much because it's like very thick layer of snow.
Soft.
Yeah, soft snow. So yeah, you won't hurt yourself much. I could only finish till level 3's half because I fell down when it was half of level 3 and I literally got scared and anxious and I was not there enough to continue. But yeah, he could finish level 3. Yeah, and one of our friend, even Ankur, he went up to level 4.
Sai as well.
Yeah, Sai as well. So as a team, I think everyone enjoyed and it was a good experience.
Yeah. So we were unable to do many activities other than skiing because we were busy learning skiing.
So yeah, we'll definitely suggest all our viewers to at least try once you land in Canada, to try at least once the skiing part. And not just that, the Blue Mountain as such is a very beautiful place. It's very soothing to your eyes, as well as, you know, it will make you definitely happy. So that's it for today, I guess.
So hope you liked our video. Subscribe our channel, and if you have any question regarding Blue Mountain, just put it in the comment section. So till then, hasta la vista, baby.